squad, what's up? It's your skipologist, Miss Brown. Hope you guys are good. Hope you're having a good start to the week as well. I'm back with a new tutorial to keep you guys skipping fit the fun way with your skipping ropes. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you quickly one of my favorite steps called Peppa Dem. That's the name I give it. I call it Peppa Dem because this step basically gets you to Peppa Dem. You Peppa Dem. It involves you bouncing on one leg, kicking out the other leg. I'm going to show you briefly without the skipping rope. It looks like this. So that's the Peppa Dem step. I'm going to show you now with your skipping ropes. So if you've got one, join me. Let's do this. Guys, so that is the Peppa Dem step. If you're quite new to skipping, it's quite challenging. Be careful with your balance. Try not to jump or kick back too hard, otherwise you lose your balance. But what's great about this step is gives you great cardio, helps you work on your balance like I said, and also it's fun to do, keeps you energetic, and again it works out your coordination skills, moving around a bit more and giving you something different with leg extensions as well. So let's see you give it a go. Go on. I'm tired, man. Oh, go on. Literally, you get on one foot, you bounce, then the other foot, you pepper. You pepper. All right, let me show you for the culture. Let me show you. There you go. So that is quickly Peppa Dem step. Don't forget, guys, I've got lots of tutorials out already, so check those out. Practice them. Practice the leg exercise I taught you last week so you can get strong legs like these, which will help you keep skipping stronger and for longer. Don't forget also, I'm on Instagram at Skip Squad Fitness. I'm based in London. If you want to come and join me for skipping sessions, just DM me on Instagram at Skip Squad Fitness. Follow this channel, Skip Squad Fitness. Skip, dance, live your best life.